Hi everyone, it's Shell here from Designs by Shell. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm sharing with you some cute little projects that you can do with one stamp. I have chosen this cute little bird stamp. Now I purchased this on Amazon. I think it was by, what does it say? Inkadinkado stamps. So it's a cute little bird on a branch. And I thought I love things that are, birds, nature, flowers, trees, all of that kind of design. So I thought this would be really cute to put on some cards and a few different things. So I'm going to show you what I've done with that. Let's see, I'll just set it up here. So first of all, I've done some gift tags. So this first one here, I've used my round dies for this. I've cut out a circle for the base, and then I stamped the bird on there. I also stamped the word love on there, and I used my circle frames, and I put a frame around the front with this pretty blue shades on there, and on the back I just had one that was cut out already, and it's just a colorful one, and I've left it blank on the back so you could write to from on the back there. And then I just added some baker's twine for that, and that's ready to put on a gift or whatever you would like to use it for. And then just added some little embellishments on there as well. So that's the first one I did. Then I did this one here, stamped it on a gift tag shape here, and then I cut out some of these little blossoms in the green foil paper and added those on there for some extra little branches, and I stamped just for you on there. And then I embossed that with silver embossing powder. Added a little bit of a stickle on there to just kind of dress it up a bit. And I thought that turned out really nice. And then here's the third one. So this one I've used one of my rectangle dies. And for this one I also cut out a feather out of that kind of iridescent paper. I'm not sure how well you can see it, but it does have lots of colors that reflect off of that. And then I stamped with love on there and added some little enamel dots and then a little gemstone dot on there as well. I thought that was really pretty. So there's that. Then I went ahead and created a card here. So this one I've done some layering. First the rectangle die on the back there with the perforated dots on the edge. Then I cut out a couple of scallops. And so I've got two layered on there, and I've stamped the bird on the top one and also stamped just for you on there. And then I've done a little bit of layering. I cut out a couple of pieces here that kind of look like they were a little plant shape and kind of spiky plant. So I layered two of those on here, kind of one on underneath the bottom scallop and then one in between. And then some of the foil blossoms on there again. And added a little bit of stickle, and that's a card ready to go. And I've just left it blank inside so far because I'm not sure what I'm doing with it. But yeah, so I thought that turned out really pretty. So that might give you some ideas as well. And here are a few other shapes that I had stamped the bird on. Here's a circle in kind of a taupe color paper, and then a couple different other shapes where it could work, where this one you're maybe not getting the full use of the stamp, but you're kind of just using a portion of it there. But I think they still are really cute to use. And then the last thing I did was make one of these little tea pockets. Now this is actually called the diaper fold, I guess they call it. And so it's just simply folding a square of 6 by 6 inch paper, and then when you finish folding it, it turns out into this little pocket. And so this one fits a little tea bag in there, like so. And then I put a circle die on here that I stamped the little bird on, and then just embellished that. I used a sticker that had some plant leaves on there, a tiny little word on there that says hello, added a sequin and some little stickle to dress it up. And so that was really fun to do. And I thought these would be really cute little gifts for somebody, or you just want to tuck something in with a card, or just give a little something to someone. So I'm gonna go ahead and put one of these little pockets together for you. Okay, so I've got a piece of double-sided 6 by 6 inch paper here. And you can, you know, choose which side you want for the outside or the inside. And then we're just gonna go corner to corner and just right in half like this. And you don't actually need a bone folder to smooth this out, but if you would like to use one, you can, to just get your edges a little bit crisper. And then once you've got your page in half there, you're gonna take, say, the right side here and fold it over. And you want it to be completely, I guess, perpendicular here, if that's the right word, so that it's a straight line across here. You don't want it to be like bent or something, because then it won't line up perfectly. So like that, and then you're going to bring the other side right across like so. And you can just, like, when it gets a little thick, it's easier to use the bone folder to smooth it out. So then it's going to be like this. And then you're just going to take that top triangle, pull that back, and fold that down on the top like so. And then you're left with a cute little pocket. Now you can secure this down however you like. If you want to use some of your snail, or you could glue it if you wanted to, whatever adhesive you have. For now, I'm just going to use this snail here, and then this will go down like that. So you just put a little of the snail on the edge here, like so. And then I will get my little stamp bird, and we'll dress that up. My little bird stamp here. And I've got some little green stickers, they're leaves on here, so I thought I'd use one of these. Sorry about that noise, there's a garbage truck going by out there, he's very noisy. Let's see where we'll put this. Well, maybe we can stick it above him, like this. And if it's hanging over, that's okay. You can either leave it on there like that, or you could trim it off. Just follow the shape of the circle there. There's a tiny little bit over here as well. So that's like that. And I'll just get this on here. Like that. And then you could add some gemstones on there if you want, or enamel dots, or just use some stickle if you like. I might just add a little bit on here just to give a little extra sparkle. So there's that. And then I can show you with this tea bag here how it would just pop inside there. And there you have it. So that's a cute little idea for you. I hope you feel inspired, and I hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.